Hi everyone, Gagajoy. Well, you know it's apple season, so why not use apples? And I love apples. They were going to make apple dumplings. I actually made these a week ago, and I didn't have time to make a video, so today I'm going to have to make 2 pans. That one pan did not go as far, which I don't care. But I'm going to make one and then worry about the other one. Well, make them with crescent rolls. I'm using Granny Smith apples, and I use 3 and cut it in 6 pieces, which just turns out perfect for me. And while I'm putting those in the pan, stick and a half of butter. You can put 2, but I'm using 1.5 because I got to make 2 pans. And you need cinnamon, a teaspoon of cinnamon. You need a teaspoon of vanilla. And you can put a little bit of apple spice in it if you want to. And so that's what I'm going to put in here with the butter melts. So it's so easy to make. And also you need a bottle of Sprite. That's the big surprise. You can use 7-Up. It's better to use a clear bottle of pop. Okay. I call it pop. That's the part of the country I come from, I guess. I guess it doesn't measure. I might get too much. And of course, vanilla. I'm still using my homemade vanilla and so thankful for it. And if you want a recipe, I've got one on that we made earlier. Just go back and look for it. I did. I'll cut that right now. I don't know how rich the person who made crescent rolls ended up being, but it sure was worth it. Not too many days that I don't use, weeks, I don't use them every day, of course. You don't even have to roll them out, just simply break them off. Start at the big end, roll it out. See how easy it is? I've got my oven on 350. I think I folded the other ones over a little bit. Do that too. The others they were good for, there was some left over, and I saved them to give to my son. And from Saturday to Monday, they were still wonderful. Well, I got her 2 cans of crescent rolls started and finished. And now I put the sugar, cinnamon, and just put it back on the stove. All you want to do is to make sure it's melted. Now you can use dark or brown sugar, but I think it'd make it awfully sweet. But a lot of people like brown sugar with apples. You know what makes brown sugar brown? Molasses. That's simple. Okay. And here's our Sprite. The whole bottle. I know it sounds unbelievable, but I'm telling you, you'll see it works perfectly. Okay. To the oven we go. It takes about 30 minutes. So I'll be making another pan in the meantime. Well, I just took the first pan out of the oven. Oh, it smells so good. I'm going to take one in the middle to make sure everything was cooked good. It doesn't hurt. And I won't tell anybody. It wasn't supposed to be there. Now, when this gets cool, the sugar syrup gets just perfect to slice out and eat. I'm also going to let this cool for a minute. Now, I did tell you I used Granny Smith apples. What can I say? If you don't try these, you're missing out. So, the recipe will be up in the corner. I think I told you everything that goes in it. Try it. This may be your Thanksgiving dessert because it's that good. Take care of yourself. Go pick some apples, and we'll see you soon. Remember the joy.